Ever faced issues with connectors in dirty, moist environments? Here's the solution you've been waiting for. Discover the full range of Deutsch DT series wire harnesses. Reliable in all conditions. From 2P to 12P, these connectors are perfect for automotive, industrial, and marine applications. Low MOQ available. DT connector kits, all you need in one box: housings, terminals, tools, and more. Easy to use and carry. We offer a comprehensive range: DT, DTM, DTP, and more, ensuring secure connections in any industry. Fast delivery, low MOQ. From 2P to 12P, we have the connector you need. Ready to go. High quality terminals, nickel or gold plated. Multiple options for all your needs. Why settle for less? Choose Deutsch connectors for unmatched reliability and performance. Contact us now to learn more.